Okay, good morning. My name is Dan Phillips, Municipal Court Judge, City of Fargo. Today we're doing tobacco compliance hearings. This is a time and place for public hearings regarding the sale of tobacco products to minors pursuant to Fargo Municipal Code, Chapter 35. These are non-criminal proceedings in which the city has a burden to prove the violation by a preponderance of the evidence. This is a public hearing, meaning that anyone who wishes to speak at the hearing may do so. At the conclusion of the hearing, I will make an oral finding of today, and after that, I will issue written findings of fact, conclusions of law, and an order regarding today's hearing. Any order is appealable as allowed by North Dakota Century Code. Okay, when your store is called, please come up and sit in the table so we can discuss it. Mr. Wisher, which is the first store we're looking at?
I'm okay with any store except Smokes for Less, which I believe will be a contested hearing.
I don't have a list of the violations.
Okay, let's start with Casey's General Store located at 1901 University Drive North.
Good morning, and you are?
I am Stephanie. I'm the store manager.
What's your last name, Stephanie?
Altman, Altman.
Okay, Mr. Wisher, could you provide me with the notice date and date of receipt?
I'm in possession of a notice of hearing which was served on the business via certified mailing. It is at least 15 days prior to the hearing. It was dated July 3rd, 2025.
Thank you. Does the store admit or deny the allegation?
We admit.
Okay. And your store is licensed to sell tobacco and tobacco products in the city of Fargo?
Yes, correct.
Okay, Mr. Wisher, would you provide us with the facts?
Yes, on June 27th, 2025, a person under the age of 21 with the assistance of Fargo Police entered the store owned by the defendant or managed by the defendant, Casey's General Store, located at 1901 University Drive North, Fargo, North Dakota. The person under the age of 21 requested a tobacco product and was provided one.
Do you agree with the city's facts?
Yes.
Yes? Do you have anything you want to add?
Nope, I'm good, thank you.
Okay. And do we have any prior offenses by this store?
No, Your Honor, this is alleged to be a first offense within the relevant period.
Anybody from the public, being it's a public hearing, anybody from the public want to address this store? Seeing no one, we're going to find that you did violate and the statute providing tobacco products to someone under 21. And since this is a first offense, it'd be a $500 fine.
Okay.
Okay, you provide that to the Public Health Department, and I will issue a legal order after today's hearing.
Okay.
Okay, you have any questions?
I do not, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. For the next hearing, the city requests that we call PetroServe USA, located at 2903 Main Avenue, Fargo, North Dakota.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
And you are?
John Bannerman, Bannerman. I'm the store manager at that location.
Regarding notice for the city?
Notice was sent on July 3rd. It appears it was received and signed via certified mailing.
Does the store admit or deny the allegation?
We admit it.
And you are licensed to sell tobacco products in the city of Fargo?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Wisher, what are the facts of this?
On June 27th, 2025, a person under the age of 21 working with Fargo Police conducted a compliance check on the PetroServe USA business located at 2903 Main Avenue, Fargo, North Dakota. The individual entered the store, requested some smokeless tobacco, specifically Zins, provided money to the clerk, and completed the transaction.
And do you have anything to add or anything to say about the city's facts?
Other than they didn't complete the transaction, she said, "I'll forget it," and left. Or to forget it. We didn't collect the money.
She did provide her with the tobacco product.
She was handed the tobacco product, she handed my cashier money, and as he was about to take it from her, she said, "Just forget it," or something similar to that.
Okay. And again, any member of the public that wants to address this? Seeing no one, I'm going to find that the city did violate, or excuse me, that PetroServe USA did violate the city ordinance and any previous violations.
This is a first offense within the qualifying period.
Okay, being it's the first offense, I'm going to ask for a $500 fine, 12-month probationary period.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for coming today. Anything
Thank you.
further?
The city next requests that the daily market located at 216 Broadway, North Fargo, North Dakota be called. And actually, sir, which one are you here for?
7 days grocery.
Let's just do that one next, please. 7 Days Grocery located at 240 42nd Street South, Fargo, North Dakota.
Thank you, and you are?
I'm a store manager. My name is Jagger.
Can you spell the first name?
First name Jagath,
And the last name?
Rai.
Okay, Mr. Wright, you are the store manager, is that right?
Yes.
And can you provide me with the information on the notice, Mr. Wisher?
Yes, Your Honor. On July 3rd, 2025, notice was sent to the store and also the registered owner. It was received, both of them, by certified mailing.
Thank you. And does the store admit or deny the allegation?
Yeah, they deny.
You deny the allegation?
Because I have, the first time, my worker, he tried to give him without seeing his ID. So after that, when he asked to have the ID, but the officer, they said that they charge, saying that you attempt to give him, but my worker, he didn't give the product to the underage.
Mr. Wisher, what are the facts?
The facts are as follows. On June 27th, 2025, a person under the age of 21 working with law enforcement went to the 7 Days Grocery located at 240 42nd Street South, Fargo, North Dakota. In the notes, it says, "Asked the clerk for Marlboro Reds. He gave me a gold box of Marlboros and took my cash. He opened the register. I told him I had changed my mind. He gave me the cash back and took the box."
Do you disagree with the facts given by the city?
That's what, my workers, he told me that, but I agree with that.
Okay, so he did provide the product, the tobacco, and then after they started doing the exchange and putting the money, they changed their mind. Is that right?
Yes,
So now do you admit or deny that? You admit?
yeah.
Okay. And any member of the public that wishes to speak regarding this? Seeing none, do we have any previous violations?
This is a first offense in the qualifying period.
Being this first offense, it's $500 fine and a 12-month probationary period. Again, I will supply a written decision and you will pay the Fargo Public Health. Okay? Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
City now asks that we call the daily market. I don't believe that there's a member for the business that is here.
Notice was provided to the Daily Market?
On July 3rd, notice was provided to two separate addresses. The Daily Market, attention Charlotte Young, 216 Broadway North, Fargo, North Dakota. That was signed by an individual. In addition, notice was sent to the Daily Market, attention store manager, sent to the same location. That was also signed by an individual. I've had no contact with anyone from the Daily Market.
Okay, thank you. Please provide me the facts.
On June 27th, 2025, as part of a compliance check with the city of Fargo, a person under the age of 21, while working with the Fargo Police, went to Daly's Market located at 216 Broadway North, Fargo, North Dakota. The person under the age of 21 entered the store, requested some Zyn. A box was provided, rung up, asked for ID, and proceeded with the purchase.
Okay, any member of the public that wishes to speak to this issue? Hearing none, I'm going to find that the store did violate the ordinance. And was this a first violation?
Yes, Your Honor, first offense within the qualifying period.
Okay, and I'm going to assign a $500 fine and 12-month probationary period to this store also. Anybody else today?
Yes, Your Honor. The last one is Smokes for Less, located at 3501 13th Avenue South. And you guys are free to leave, or you can stick around, your choice.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. And you are,
I am Ollie Waz. I'm the owner of Smokes for Less on 13th.
spell the first name?
A-L-I, last name is W-A-Z.
W-A-D?
A-Z, Walter Adam Zebra.
And you are the owner?
Yes.
Okay, was notice provided, Smokes for Less?
Yes, Your Honor. On July 3rd, 2025, notice was sent out via certified mail. It was signed by Mr. Walls, or Waz.
Does the store admit or deny the allegation?
We deny the allegations.
City want to give their facts today?
I'll give the facts as they are presented on the work sheet, and then we can just maybe have a discussion. I know Mr. Waz has some additional evidence that he wants to present as well. But according to the worksheet, it says as follows: I asked for a pack of cigars. The clerk took them off the shelf and scanned it. He said the total and took my cash. He opened the register and I told him I changed my mind. He never asked for my ID, age, date of birth, or anything.
Okay, based on those facts, you have something you want to show or say?
Yes, I have a video that I'd like to show, Your Honor. And I have the, can I bring it up to the?
Sure.
Permission to approach?
Yes, absolutely. We can all watch it at the same time.
Do you want me to send it to you in an email so you can just pull it up there or something like that? Would that make it easier for you?
I'm not sure if we have a tech person here right now. I'm
I
fine
think
just
they're right there.
email to you? Okay. Go talk with him to figure out the right email.
That way it's not a small phone or all punched in. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you. Technology is fantastic when it works.
Oh, yeah. It said compressing the video, oh, I hope it sends correctly. Don't you find it funny when kids can use the phone better than us?
Way better than us.
I just found out we can turn on the TV by clicking two different other buttons. I was like, my kid's like, yeah, press 333. I'm like, okay. How'd you find that out?
So I'll give you this, and you can, I'll bring the video up and you can control.
Okay. Okay, so this is a gentleman that's working with law enforcement. I wonder if that's the whole video. So it was a new product. He's typing it in.
The product, the tobacco product, is in his left hand.
Yes, it's in his left hand. So he hands him a 20, and then he gives him extra money. But he tells him, wait. This is according to my clerk. He's like, wait, and then he's like, no, I don't want it no more. So the product never really reached the gentleman's hands or left the counter, or even the transaction being complete. Because in order for a transaction to be complete, they would need a receipt, and he never touched the product.
Mr. Wisher, the city want to provide?
I think we're on the same page of what the relevant facts are. So money was given to the clerk and the tobacco product was never given to the person under the age of 21. The question for the court to answer is, was a transaction, was it complete to the point of what the statutory requirements are? It's important for the court to remember this isn't a criminal proceeding, so it should just be a preponderance of the evidence standard. I wasn't able to find anything specifically on point in North Dakota. However, when searching other jurisdictions on what does it mean for a transaction to be complete, the consensus is a transaction is complete when the parties mean it to be complete. So here, a person under the age of 21 goes to a tobacco store, asks for tobacco, gives the clerk money, and then the clerk grabs the tobacco and scans it. It's the city's position that the transaction has been completed to the point of reaching that minimum threshold.
Okay.
Do you have anything you want to say?
So if the transaction was not, if it's complete though, you leave the store with a receipt or him grabbing a hold of the product. It missed the conversation within seconds. My clerk told him, wait. He said, no, I don't want it no more.
Well, I'll read what the statute says. No person shall sell, or furnish to an individual under 21 years of age. So the question is, where was the sale? When was the sale? And as far as the furnish, I'll agree, he didn't hand it to him and walk away with it. But I believe that the sale happened when he took the money. That's the sale. So I will find that if you want to appeal, you have that right to do it. But I believe that once the money changes hands, the sale is made.
Okay.
For the city?
This
Any
is a
previous-
this is a first offense within the qualifying period.
Okay, being a first offense, I'm going to do what I do to everybody, $500 fine, 12-month probationary period.
Okay.
Okay? So
No
thank you for coming today, and thank you for the video.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. You have a better one.
Anybody else from the city?
No, that should be the 5 hearings that were on the list, so thank you.
Thank you. We are done.